In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to name series in Google Sheets, add or remove series. Edit series. Start by opening your sheet so you can see both your data and the chart you want to work on. The simplest way to get clear, accurate series names is to make sure your original data includes headers in the first row or column. When your data is labeled well, the chart can use those labels as the series names, which keeps everything readable and consistent. If you want to name or edit a series directly on the chart, double-click the chart to open the chart editor on the right. Before changing any names, make sure the legend is visible so you can see the labels you are editing. Go to the Customize tab, expand the Legend section, and confirm the legend is turned on and easy to read. Now, on the chart itself, double-click the specific legend text for the series you want to rename. A text box will appear right there on the chart. Type your new custom name, then press Enter. The change applies immediately, updating both the legend and the labels used on the chart, so you can quickly verify it looks the way you expect. To add a new series to the same chart, double-click the chart again if the chart editor isn't already open. Switch to the Setup tab and find the Series section. Click Add Series. Then click the small grid icon to choose your data range. Select the column or row that contains the values for your new series. And include its header cell if you want that header to become the series name. Click OK and the new series will be added to your chart. A quick tip here: keep your data ranges clean and consistent. Avoid blank rows or mismatched lengths, so the chart can interpret everything correctly. If you need to remove a series you no longer want, stay in the Setup tab and look for the Series section again. Hover over the series you want to remove and click the three dots menu that appears next to it. Choose Remove. The series disappears from the chart right away. But your original data in the sheet remains untouched. That's it. Thanks for watching.